Are you ready to make your next move easy, fast, and stress-free? Then you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into why 3 Guys in a Truck San Antonio is the best choice for your move. Let's explore the services, the benefits, and why we're trusted by thousands of San Antonio residents. First things first, moving is a big job, and you need a reliable professional team. That's where 3 Guys in a Truck San Antonio comes in. With over 14,000 successful moves completed and a customer satisfaction rate of over 95%, we know exactly how to handle your move, no matter the size or complexity. So why should you choose us? Well, for starters, our team is experienced. We've been moving San Antonio residents and businesses for years. 3 Guys in a Truck handles both residential and commercial moves. And with a team of 15 highly skilled movers, we make sure everything goes smoothly. Not only do we provide packing, loading, transportation, and unpacking services, but we also offer free estimates. You'll know exactly what to expect with no hidden fees or surprise charges. And our competitive pricing starts as low as $99 for local moves within San Antonio. We also care about the safety of your items, from protective padding for your furniture to specialized packing for fragile items like pianos and china cabinets. We go the extra mile to make sure everything arrives at your new home in perfect condition. Choosing the right movers makes all the difference. With 3 Guys in a Truck San Antonio, you're not just hiring movers, you're hiring a team dedicated to making your moves smooth, safe, and stress-free. Contact us today for your next move.